Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix unknown order when you try to purchase any gifts for your friend or try to buy any Nitro and you get this error, and let's see how to fix it. So first go to Windows search and just type run and open it. Now type here percentage app data percentage and click OK. Now try to find Discord and right click on it and click on delete. Don't worry, this won't delete your data like chats or account. This only delete the corrupted, if there is any corrupted data in your Discord folder. It only deletes those corrupted files. So just right click on Discord folder, click on delete. Now if it isn't deleting, first close the Discord completely, click on this icon, right click on Discord, click on quit Discord, and now right click on Discord again, click on delete. After deleting it, close it, go to Windows search and just type run again, and now type percentage local app data percentage and click OK. Now try to find Discord again. Once you found it, right click on it, click on delete. After that, close it and go to Windows search and just type Discord, and you will see icon like this. You need to find Discord setup, or you can install or you can download the Discord setup, and after downloading it, just open it and simply wait for it to download on your PC, and then open it again and log in again and see if the problem is fixed or not. Now the second solution to fix this problem is to try to fix this problem on Discord web. You can open your Chrome browser or any other browser that you are using and just simply log in your account and see if this fixes your problem on Discord web or not. If your problem is still not fixed, now third solution to fix this problem is remove or re-add your payment method. So open up the Discord and click on user settings and scroll down, click on billing, and just remove your billing method or add it again and see if the problem is fixed or not. You can disable this streamer mode to see the billing information. Now if your problem is still not fixed, and if you are using a VPN or any proxy, then the VPN or proxy is maybe interrupting with your payment or causing this error. And if you're using a VPN or proxy, just disable it or turn it off and then try to check if the problem is fixed or not. And hopefully after this solution, your problem should be fixed. And if yes, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. And thanks for watching.